In the vast expanse of the sky, where clouds dance with the morning light, a marvel of modern aviation takes flight. Welcome to the world of Rafale. From its sleek design to its unparalleled performance, Rafale stands as a testament to human ingenuity and technological prowess. Rafale, ready for takeoff. Let's show them what we're made of. Join us on a journey into the heart of innovation, where every component is crafted with excellence and every mission is executed with precision. This is Rafale, where engineering meets excellence and where the sky is not the limit, but only the beginning. Amidst the ever-evolving landscape of military aviation, few aircraft stand as iconic symbols of technological prowess and combat effectiveness like the Dassault Rafale. Developed by the renowned French aerospace company, Dassault Aviation, the Rafale epitomizes the pinnacle of innovation and flexibility in modern fighter aircraft. With its advanced capabilities and unparalleled performance, the Rafale has earned its place as a cornerstone of French military air power and garnered international acclaim for its effectiveness across various mission profiles. A legacy of excellence. Since its introduction into service in the early 2000s, the Rafale has consistently demonstrated its superiority in various combat roles, earning a reputation as a truly admirable aircraft. Whether tasked with air dominance, air defense, close air support, reconnaissance, or precision strikes, the Rafale delivers unmatched performance and reliability in the most demanding operational environments. Its versatility and agility make it equally effective in both traditional and asymmetric warfare scenarios, enabling it to maintain air supremacy and project power with precision and efficiency. The Rafale fighter aircraft, designed and manufactured by Dassault Aviation of France, is a multi-role combat aircraft with various sophisticated capabilities. Here are some of its key features. The impressive Rafale fighter aircraft has earned a reputation as one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. One of its main advantages is its innovative design that combines state-of-the-art technology with outstanding performance. Here are some key design advantages of the Rafale fighter aircraft. Fourth generation with twin engines. The Rafale is a fourth-generation fighter aircraft equipped with twin engines. These twin engines, namely the M88-2 engines developed by Safran Aircraft Engines, provide the aircraft with powerful and efficient thrust. The presence of twin engines also enhances the aircraft's reliability and provides power reserves in case one engine encounters an issue. Advanced delta wing. The delta wing design of the Rafale provides exceptional aerodynamic advantages. The combination of delta wings with closely mounted canards allows the aircraft to remain stable and agile when operating at high angles of attack. This provides exceptional maneuverability and enables the Rafale to counter air threats quickly and effectively. Semi-stealth capability. The Rafale is equipped with several features that reduce its radar cross-section, giving it semi-stealth capability. The low radar cross-section silhouette design and the use of advanced composite materials help reduce radar reflections, thus reducing the likelihood of detection by enemy radar. Nuclear strike capability. One unique advantage of the Rafale is its ability to conduct nuclear strikes. The aircraft has been designed and tested to carry and launch nuclear weapons with high precision and accuracy. This makes the Rafale an essential tool in France's nuclear defense policy. 2. High agility. Wide range of G-force. The Rafale is capable of withstanding very high gravitational forces, G-force, ranging from -3.6 grams to 9 grams. This wide range allows the aircraft to perform extreme maneuvers without compromising safety or performance, enabling it to compete with adversary fighter aircraft in aerial combat. Fast responsiveness. Due to its advanced flight control system and superior aerodynamic design, the Rafale responds quickly to pilot commands. The aircraft can change direction and speed rapidly, giving the pilot a tactical advantage in aerial combat and other combat operations. Precision maneuverability in air combat. The Rafale's ability to perform precision maneuvers is crucial in modern air combat. With high agility and accurate controls, the aircraft can evade enemy attacks and position itself for effective strikes, providing a vital advantage in dynamic combat situations. 4. Weapons. Meteor. A beyond visual range air-to-air missile with extremely long range that provides outstanding air attack capability. With its extensive range, the Meteor allows the Rafale to engage targets from a safe distance without needing to get too close to enemy threats. Mica, Beyond Visual Range, BVR, air-to-air missile available in IR, infrared seeker, and M, active radar homing, versions. Mica enables the Rafale to perform interceptions, air combat, and self-defense with high accuracy and effectiveness. Hammer, highly agile and maneuverable munition extended range, precision-guided air-to-ground weapon series that provides outstanding ground attack capability. With high maneuverability, Hammer allows the Rafale to destroy ground targets with high accuracy. Scalp, long-range standoff missile that allows the Rafale to attack ground targets from a safe distance. Scalp enables the Rafale to maintain distance from enemy air threats while still effectively destroying ground targets with precision. AM-39EX-OCET, anti-ship missile that provides strong attack capability against enemy vessels. With high speed and accuracy, AM-39 Exocet allows the Rafale to destroy enemy ships from the air effectively. Laser and classic guided bombs. The Rafale is equipped with various types of guided bombs that allow the aircraft to conduct precision strikes against ground targets. Whether laser-guided or classic bombs, the Rafale has the flexibility to address various combat situations. SNECMA M791, internal 30mm cannon with a firing rate of 2,500 rounds per minute, providing strong direct attack capability against ground and air targets. With high destructive power, the Nexter 30 M791 enhances the Rafale's striking power in combat. 5. Sensors. Direct voice input. One innovative feature of the Rafale is its ability for direct voice input, allowing pilots to communicate with the aircraft's systems using their voices directly. This enables pilots to quickly access information and operate systems more efficiently, enhancing the aircraft's responsiveness and reliability. Active Electronically Scanned Array Radar RBE-2AA. The Rafale is equipped with the Advanced Active Electronically Scanned Array AESA radar RBE-2A. This radar provides high detection capability and accurate resolution, allowing the Rafale to identify targets faster and more accurately in various weather conditions and combat environments. Infrared Search and Track Optronique Secteur Frontal IRST sensor. The Rafale is also equipped with the Advanced Infrared Search and Track IRST optronic sensor. This sensor allows the Rafale to detect and track targets using heat emitted by aircraft engines or other heat sources, even in low light conditions or in environments filled with electronic interference. Domestically developed avionics. Most of the avionics and features of the Rafale aircraft are developed and produced domestically, demonstrating the level of autonomy and aerospace industry capability in France to produce advanced technology. This provides additional security and reliability to the aircraft, ensuring that sensitive technology is not dependent on external supply. 6. Variants. Rafale C, single-seat land version. The Rafale C variant is a single-seat land version specifically designed for operations on land by the French Air Force. The Rafale C offers high flexibility in conducting various types of combat missions, including air supremacy, ground attack, interdiction, and aerial reconnaissance. With its advanced combat capabilities and extensive range, the Rafale C serves as the backbone of French air power. Rafale B, two-seat land version. The Rafale B variant is a two-seat land version designed to provide enhanced training and more flexible operational missions. With a pilot and weapon systems operator working together in the cockpit, the Rafale B allows for the development of effective team skills and coordination, as well as providing the capability to perform air-to-ground and air-to-air missions with high precision. Rafale M, single-seat carrier-based version. The Rafale M variant is a single-seat version specifically designed for operations from aircraft carriers. The Rafale M provides strong airstrike capability and precision from the deck of aircraft carriers, allowing the French Navy to project air power effectively in various maritime operational environments. With features such as arrestor hook capability, the Rafale M can operate from aircraft carriers with high flexibility and reliability. Seven. Specifications. Optimal aerodynamic design. With a wingspan of 10.90 meters, length of 15.30 meters, and height of 5.30 meters, the Rafale has been designed to have an optimal aerodynamic profile. This design ensures maximum performance in various flight conditions, including high maneuverability and exceptional stability. Lightweight yet strong. Despite having an overall empty weight of 10 tons, 22,000 pounds, the Rafale remains a highly robust and durable aircraft. The materials used in its construction provide an optimal balance between strength and weight, allowing it to achieve outstanding performance without sacrificing reliability. Exceptional performance. With a maximum speed of m equals 1.8 or approximately 750 knots, the Rafale is capable of achieving impressive speed levels. This capability provides the aircraft with a tactical advantage in combat situations, allowing it to respond quickly to enemy threats and execute missions with high efficiency. Latest avionics systems. The Rafale is equipped with the latest avionics systems, including advanced sensors, navigation systems, and communications, allowing pilots to operate the aircraft with maximum accuracy and efficiency. This provides pilots and crew with the ability to view and respond to combat situations in real time, enhancing situational awareness and mission success. Stealth technology and survivability enhancements. Although not a fully stealth aircraft, the Rafale has been designed with features that reduce radar signatures and enhance its ability to avoid enemy detection. This includes stealthy aerodynamic designs, as well as refined sensor and targeting technologies to improve the aircraft's survivability in aerial combat. At the heart of the Rafale's excellence lies its advanced technological features. The delta wing with closely mounted canards provides exceptional agility and long-range performance, ensuring optimal handling even in high-threat environments. The advanced fly-by-wire flight control system, equipped with quadruple redundancy and the automatic ground collision avoidance system, AGCAS, offers unmatched safety and precision in all flight conditions. Additionally, the low radar cross-section silhouette design and extensive use of composite materials contribute to its stealth capabilities, allowing it to operate undetected in enemy airspace. 8. Power and efficiency. Powered by the advanced M88-2 engines developed by Safran Aircraft Engines, the Rafale achieves remarkable thrust-to-weight ratio and fuel efficiency. This allows the aircraft to supercruise at high speeds without afterburner, significantly extending its combat range and loiter time. The modular design and advanced engine technologies ensure ease of maintenance and reliability, further enhancing the operational effectiveness and sustainability of the Rafale throughout its lifespan. 9. Multi-sensor data fusion, MSDF. One of the most significant innovations of the Rafale is its multi-sensor data fusion, MSDF, system. This highly innovative technology integrates data from all sensors on the aircraft and external sources to provide the pilot with a comprehensive and real-time battlefield picture. By combining inputs from radar, infrared search and track, IRST, electronic warfare, suite, and other sensors, MSDF enhances situational awareness and decision-making capabilities, maximizing the effectiveness of its weapon systems and minimizing the risk of friendly fire or collateral damage. 10. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Dassault Rafale stands as a testament to the aerospace industry's ingenuity and expertise in providing advanced solutions to modern warfare challenges. Its flexibility, technological superiority, and combat effectiveness make it a formidable asset for any air force striving to maintain air dominance and project power in today's complex security environment. As the Rafale continues to evolve and adapt to emerging threats, it remains at the forefront of military aviation, ensuring safety and security for nations worldwide.